Hi guys, today let's learn how to multiply two-digit numbers. You must have done so much of multiplication, but now if you come along with these cases like difference of 2, difference of 4 or difference of 6, I tell you the easiest way how to multiply these types of questions, or if you get this type of question, I tell you the easiest way how to multiply it. Now taking the first case, which is 24 into 26, the difference of is 2. Taking the middle value, first of all taking the middle value, squaring it and subtracting it with 1 square, fine, which is 25 square minus 1, 625 minus 1 comes out to be 624, just a piece of cake. Now taking another example, 69 into 71, taking the middle value, which is 70 square, it's 4900, subtracting it with 1 square, which is 1, comes out to be 4899. Such a easiest method, fine. Now taking another example, which is difference of 4, 28 into 32. Again what we have to do is to take the middle value, which is 30 square, now subtracting it with the 2 square, fine. 30 square is 900, subtracting it with 2 square, which is 4, comes out to be 896, fine. Taking another example, here's the difference between 57 and 53 is 4. Again what we'll do is to considering the middle value, which is 55 square minus 2 square, so 55 square is 3025 minus 2 square is 4, comes out to be 3021. Such a easiest method. If you see now the difference of 4, you apply this method, it would quite easy. Now taking another example, which is difference of 6. Now 22 and 28, difference is 6. Taking again the middle value, which is 25, again 25 square minus, now in this case what we have to subtract is 3 square. 25 square is 625 minus 3 square is 9, so answer comes out to be 616, fine. Now the last example for today is 97 for 103. Now the difference is 6. Taking the middle value, which is 100, and squaring it, comes out to be 10,000, and subtracting it with 3 square, which is 9, so the answer comes out to be 9991, fine. If you multiply 97 with 103 with the oldest method, you will find much more time and take much more time to do such a easiest multiplication. So if now you come along with these cases, now you have to you got the method how to solve it in the easiest way, taking the mid value and subtracting it with 1 square if the difference is 2, 2 square if the difference is 4, and 3 square if the difference is 6. Hope you like this video, and if you have doubts regarding any such type of questions, or you know new tricks, please write it in the comment section. Please do share my videos, and if you like these videos, please do subscribe to my mental diet. Thank you. See you soon.